Why now what changed? Don't co-opt our pain. Now you gassed up off octane. Tide collects tide. Tide collects tide. Acknowledge warfare everywhere but stateside. Scramble to build up a boom just to watch us go baseline to baseline. Your priorities in shockwaves. Been preyed on our whole existence, we are not phased with your privately funded cage. But teachers are underpaid, our homeless feeling betrayed while watching you print the aid. Got the woke feeling like 2020s in retrograde, but they must have been asleep for falling for this charade. Watch my granny talk to God from a landline. How I move in favor, created player or landslide. Bombs over Richmond, intention haters and landmines. Letting black people die while you stand by. Attempt to justify all you need, just planting another seed. Out in the field, plotting the bill while they overeat. Miss Rosa double parked, so I pulled up another seat. Surprise.